Welcome back to Valley Shenanigans, you guys. My name is Abel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. So this channel here is pretty much a channel where I record all kinds of stuff throughout the Central Valley here, whether it's fishing, catching cooks, camping videos. But today we are starting a new series here. I am going to restore and rebuild this trailer here and turn this little 12-foot aluminum into a bass hybrid boat. So I plan to be transparent with you guys how much I bought the boat for, what I'm buying, what I'm gonna, all my expenses pretty much, the time that I'm gonna put into restoring the trailer, time I'm gonna put into restoring the boat. So stay along and enjoy this series here. The boat is gonna need some work. Just right off the bat, probably a new stand here, new winch, some new chain. I spilled my coffee already, so that's coffee with rainwater. New wiring, new lights, new wheels, new hubs probably. Yeah, she has some work to do on the boat. I'll probably have to replace this transom wood here. Figure out how to take this paint off of it. Yeah, a lot of wiring issues. Yep. Probably have to replace that roller down there. I am gonna need to cut this off here and put a new one on because I really don't like this. Okay. We got a few things we needed here for this trailer restoration and boat restoration. Kind of more just for the trailer restoration. We got a few things here from Harbor Freight. We're gonna go ahead and get started on removing all the rust with the wire brushes, and then we'll proceed to putting some of this rust reformer spray on. Day 2 of this boat and trailer restoration. Kinda trying to take out this hitch here. Had to cut it off here. Gonna put on a new one. Last night before we went to bed, I did rinse it off, which was a mistake because we got some light rust here on top, so I'm gonna have to go through that all over again. Immediately overnight, we got rust everywhere. So that was a huge mistake on my part. Probably shouldn't have washed it. I should have taken the time to have some like acetone or some alcohol and just over a rag and just wipe it down. But I'm gonna have to retouch it every single inch of this trailer, which is gonna be time consuming. As of yesterday, me and my brother spent like 5 hours kind of like going over this trailer with both the wire brush and a combination of sandpaper for metal. I don't know what it's called, but anyways, so that's kind of the update for this morning. You guys stay tuned and watch along as we work on this trailer. These edges. Cut this off, grinded it down nice and smooth. We drilled some holes here. We tightened the chains back up to this. All right, so we flipped the trailer upside down. We got underneath all the trailer here. Kind of grinded everything down here. Some rust build-up here. There's just one, where is it at here? There's just one place where I'm kind of concerned about that I did find a crack, which is here. Luckily it has 2 beams on it, and really, I mean, I'm putting like a small aluminum boat on here, maybe some kayaks, so I'm not gonna have a giant amount of weight on it, but I'll probably get that welded. Need to hit up one of my welding buddies. It does go right through, so that is the only damage that I found on the trailer so far. Alcohol and a rag here. Usually you would use like acetone or something, but I don't have that, just to get all that debris and stuff off the metal, and then we'll get to painting. Alright, so we got the Rust-Oleum Rust Performer all over the trailer here, also on the bottom. But we're gonna go with that Rust-Oleum protective enamel here with the roller and a brush. Alright, you guys, so we got a first layer of paint done here on the trailer. Looks pretty good. There are some areas that we need to retouch, but for now we're gonna go ahead and start putting the winch back on. We're gonna put the jack back on. We're gonna replace these regular bolts for some grade 5 bolts, and then we'll start wiring it up.